In this lesson, we're going to evaluate a variable expression. So if we have a problem like this that says find the value of the expression, and we have 2 times bracket y minus 20 when y equals 40. So first let's understand the meaning of the words variable and expression. A variable is a letter given to an unknown number. And in this case, the unknown number is y. This is the variable. An expression is an equation that represents another number. It is made up of numbers and variables. This is the expression. It's made up of numbers and variables, and it equals another number when you figure out how to calculate this expression. So let's write our expression down again. And this is the entire expression, and this is the variable. Okay? Now, in this expression, the variable y will be replaced by the number 40. So how is that going to look? Here's the variable. Replace this with the number 40. So here's y. We replace this variable with 40. Now we just calculate this expression. 2 times bracket 40 minus 20 close bracket. Remember, the brackets are calculated first. So 40 minus 20 is 20. Now we just multiply by 2, and that equals 40. And that's the end of this lesson. This is how you do this type of problem. Don't worry if you don't get that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, I have links to other videos of mine in the description. You can check those out below. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, you'll find this exact lesson in it with a link that'll take you right to this video. You can follow along as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.